Hey, how's it going? Let me help you out. So, in Adobe Lightroom, instead of editing and re-editing every single picture from like a 60 photo project, you can just save them as presets. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So you can just go ahead, mess with whatever, get creative with the colors, whatever you're feeling. I was feeling a little bluish orange, I was just kind of messing around, seeing what's up. And then at the bottom right here, you're going to see presets. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on that presets, and then a panel's going to come down. Click on those three dots, create presets. Then you're just going to put whatever name. I put dark orange because that's what I was feeling at the time, some dark orange. And then under that same panel, there's user presets are popped up. And these are all the ones that you got previously saved. So you can go to any picture, just hit up those user presets, and then you're just basically set. You just gotta click on presets, go to user preset, and you're good. So yeah.